Hey Mandi Maniacs, I hope you are enjoying all of our St. Patrick's Day reviews. So here is another one, and it's actually by the official Bailey's brand, the original Irish cream flavored ground coffee. So it looks delicious. The box, I noticed, did get a little beat up. We ordered this from Amazon, and in my opinion, they could have packaged it better, but what's important is how it tastes, so let's get ready to try it. Here it is. It does have a slight Bailey's Irish cream smell. It's not very strong, but you can definitely smell it. And it actually smells really, really good. So now to see if it tastes just as good. Oh, wow. Yeah, I am getting, it is, by the way, guys, to let you know, like the package said, it's not alcoholic, but it does taste just like Bailey's Irish cream, actually, just like you would have put a shot in your coffee, actually. Yeah, I'm definitely getting that. I do drink my coffee with heavy cream. That's what's in there now, actually. Not a lot, just a bit. And I'm not sure if that brings out the flavor more or not, but it is really delicious. By tasting it, it definitely tastes just like you had some Baileys in your coffee. So if that's what you're looking for, it's exactly what it says, and I would recommend it. It is a delicious, good cup of Irish coffee.
All right. Smells fantastic. What's it called?
Bailey's Irish cream.
Bailey's Irish cream. Wow. With it being black, I'm getting a stronger taste of just the coffee. It's a very good, robust coffee, but I don't think I'm getting the Baileys so much. I wonder with cream, maybe it would bring it out differently than this, but here I'm getting just a really good cup of coffee. Really, solid cup of coffee.
Do you want to try with cream and see if that brings it out?
Yeah, maybe try that. Okay, so we'll try it now with cream. Yes, now I'm tasting the Bailey's Irish cream.
So the cream does bring it out a lot
The cream
more.
does bring it out, exactly. And again, maybe even with a touch of sugar, it might even bring it out more. But yeah, I'm getting the Bailey's Irish cream now with the creamer in there. Whereas when I drank it black, I didn't get that. I got a really good cup of coffee.
Would you recommend?
I would recommend. It's very good.
Yeah, I thought it was great too.
Super.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and follow or subscribe. Bye!